Hey, have you ever wondered which AI tools the world's top universities like Oxford, MIT, Harvard, and Cambridge actually recommend? Today, I'll share the top 5 tools they officially support for students and researchers, and how you can use them too. First, ChatGPT Edu. Oxford and Harvard roll this out campus wide. Why? Because it helps students brainstorm essays, summarize readings, or even practice interview questions. Imagine you're stuck on Shakespeare's Hamlet. Just ask ChatGPT Edu for a breakdown in plain English. Or if you're coding, it can debug your code instantly. Second, Microsoft Copilot 365 Copilot. It's built right into Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Instead of staring at a blank page, Copilot can draft your essay outline, make data tables into charts, or even design slides for a class presentation. Third one is Google Gemini plus NotebookLM. Cambridge and MIT give free access to Gemini and NotebookLM. Gemini is great for Q&A and creative tasks, while NotebookLM is like your personal research assistant. You upload your class notes, articles, or even PDFs, and it highlights the key ideas, connects them, and answers questions. Fourth one is Adobe Firefly. MIT officially supports Adobe Firefly for creative projects. It lets you generate images, graphics, and posters from text prompts. Perfect if you're in design, media, or just need a quick thumbnail for your project. Finally, AWS SageMaker and Bedrock. MIT students also get access to SageMaker and Bedrock for serious AI projects. These aren't just for essays, they are for training and deploying real machine learning models. Think predicting climate change, analyzing health data, or building your own chatbot. These aren't random tools, they are trusted by the smartest universities in the world. Which one would you try first? Let me know in the comments. Check for resources in my video description.